Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming credentials from your Plusnet welcome email because you'll need them for web setup. Next, plug the router into mains and then into the master phone socket or OpenReach modem. This establishes the physical DSL link. Once done, make sure the router's power and DSL lights stabilize. This indicates sync with the exchange. You should use the supplied cables for reliability. If the DSL light doesn't come on in a few minutes, swap sockets and retry to rule out loose connections. You now access the router's web interface to configure the service. Connect your device by Ethernet for stability or by Wi-Fi using the sticker credentials. Then open a browser to 192.168.1.1 or the printed router address and sign in with the admin details. Once inside, navigate to WAN or Internet settings and input your Plusnet broadband username and password. This authenticates your PPPoE session when required. You finish by securing and verifying the setup. Change the admin password and Wi-Fi keys, choose WPA2 or WPA3, and set an identifiable SSID so devices connect easily. Once done, run a speed test and confirm phone or TV over IP works. This validates end-to-end service. If things go wrong, reboot the router first, then check master socket and ADSL filters. Note any fault LED patterns and call Plusnet with those details. That troubleshooting step often cuts resolution time in half.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.